The radar, things are looking good. No rain showers anywhere here around southwest Florida. What ones we were tracking are dissipating over the Gulf of Mexico and doing so pretty quickly. Up north, we had a cluster of thunderstorms about 4:30. That one is all but gone as well. So a little closer look here at downtown Fort Myers and Cape Coral. Radar sweeping around showing just a little false return. As far as those temperatures, mid to upper 70s, and that is a few degrees cooler than where we were this time yesterday, thanks to the heavy rain that fell along the coast last night. Now, some of those thunderstorms were a little impressive at times, especially with the lightning and thunder, and our temperatures and dew point values are still very high. The humidity, you feel it when you walk outside. Anytime these numbers get close to 80, that's when we get to the top of the muggy meter. We're going to stay there for a majority of the holiday weekend. 95 is our forecast high today. If we hit that mark, that'll tie a record going back to 1995 for Fort Myers, and those showers and thunderstorms not out of the question this evening. Your sunset time coming up at 7:43. So with the heat and humidity, a heat advisory has been issued for Charlotte, DeSoto, and Sarasota County from noon until 6, as those heat index values could be approaching 110. For the rest of us, still in the mid 100s area, 105. So definitely some dangerous heat in store. Why? Ridge of high pressure over the Atlantic and also in the Gulf of Mexico is giving us easterly wind flow across the state. That's a very hot weather pattern for us. It also takes the showers and thunderstorms and moves them over the Everglades and puts the focus towards the southwest Florida coastline. Now, the predictor model's not real impressed with this afternoon or this evening, but we can't rule out the chance of a scattered shower or storm. The rain chance will increase for Sunday and Monday, but as we look ahead towards Saturday, kind of the same idea. Going to be in the mid 90s with a couple of those thunderstorms to cool us off. In the tropics, we're approaching the peak. Comes next Thursday on September the 10th, and we have a lot circled here on the map. Let's start with the two that have had names, and Nana is nothing more than remnants as it moves off into the Pacific. National Hurricane Center has issued its last advisory on this system. So now we go up to Omar, still a tropical depression, and out ahead of it we have another non-tropical area low pressure that will safely move across the Atlantic. So regardless if this develops or not, it will not impact the U.S. Then we go off the coast of Africa. This is that Cape Verde season that we always talk about this time of year. The one with the red X has a 70% chance of developing here over the next 5 days. The other two in orange and medium. It's going to be a little crowded here in the mid-Atlantic, and it'll be interesting to see how all this plays out. Regardless, we have a long time to watch what the eventual tracks of those systems might be. Ingman Marine forecast has seas 1 to 2 feet, and as you start to plan that holiday weekend, going to be hot here for a couple of days. We'll eventually get back in the low 90s by Monday.